de na najwa kubia aha Xposed GH or Facebook Xposed GH, Twitter, Instagram Xposed GH. Mr. Wa say on subscribe unya subscribe my channel na subscribe my energy like me pa subscribe my na uya share the videos nso assign my Facebook nso Mr. Wa okwa na wa follow ye amaye na Kofi Sarpong also gospel na maybe that we are showbiz United showbiz so myself I was wondering na me per day I mean a chance na me bisa nsa question we ebusafo mu be kai say some time ago and Uncle for started so almost tagging he say he's gay meaning say we na mo tete ansem no right sorry and see na Uncle for tagging he say oh you gay in fact he bisa numerous media platforms na oma like I think so this is the first time I want my answer I kind of actually agree with him because previously the answer so mine and say oh onyi ye e won ba ntem and see that's why he does things like oba and I say fem kakra e won afa so no entire shemu or chira or see or no the way ye grooming no onyi say oye mba niema and I say ne ma metete no e won ba mutina no be visa like that answer didn't actually say well with me. One can say whether he's gay or not.
This issue about Kofi Sarpong, you're gay. I don't know what. I'm not sure where first time I watched it.
Yeah.
Who you gay? Because almost only yeah, ubi bia, and these people who sometimes say they say, look, me gay for you, Juma. Maybe I should watch my mannerism before they say, "Kusi about YouTube the way you are."
Yes, Debia, okay, what your question?
Yeah.
Me na wo Emma Bibri. I wo ifi almost wo Emma Bibri. Na I was somebody na me be me mami ye pa. Enti enema na oye nyina na me boa no mane. On say ade a we ye no more and more. Nipa wo associate with na you know sometimes enya influence e wo so. Mitwe say maka bebre na me no adoko ton enti enyuma bebre wo ho ma ya ma adwuma enti o ya no menim na ayese enya bibi e wo so. And from my beginning I have been a soft person. Say enya police na me kodi ya anka metumi ehye dem the whole day wo hu me say me pia bonten. And all my life you know, from home to rehearsal back home to church many enkrofo na tenatena ene ade enti ena ewia so ye wo bia konya be fa so obetena se obewia obenante ene ade ni nyina enya wo ena wo feel say owo se wo yesa so hanyame so sometimes you know me share matter na me kwa me galis in fact I walk na me walk me tutu me na me kono so I feel that that's how I me comfortable so mental the shemu and some but at the point of crown obi wo na okopam atade a omo to this okopam Kofi Sarpong na no so acquire brand so nipa bebre epenya obeye obi so ho ma ompene but for perception who do me if you obi adwuma adwene mo say onwen say and am dream fa ho so it's individuals perception and on my mind and that is fine. But I am Kofi Sarpong.
But for the first time, Waba betray mu say he's not gay. That means like he's single or try or say wa worry ewo eye emba enyina ne nienti a ofili say Ghana for etagi no as gay ni say Ghana has say omu ni ho asema they try to create one for you like say you who say oh we emba say yen koti say Kofi Sarpong any oba we gina ha and he being a celebrity too I'm sure say oh yeah or indulging who e won ba say mu a it will be all over the blogs enti mo pese onye sa na mo ka say gospel artist oh yeah emba say oh yes and all that. Because or no, he was a decent person. Now I'm finding who share Sunday money and you guys, you were saying say oh you gay. Now all can not to Ghana for ya soon say on ye gay because we worry e womba. And I don't think say obi a oye gay obe worry awumba unless say or adopt and something enti ochirema onye mba asem and he's been sticking to one woman and on funny private life and to public aside from the fact say or showcasing the talent and all that on funny private life and to public inti and no enema Ghana phone movie a tagging say oh again as a question we Arnold senior man Arnold and the answer question we say eja some rumors via basa say on crown or wine on shadow and peso baby question ye say when if they may patch it then I'll see oh in fact it's not true no he served God out in him saying I'm H Nisani man he will never do that but the fact say na on funny can't man no more beto to Jano and a man Ghana phone movie a tagging as gay yen kona has video number
most some years ago time now very active. I will go back and forth. Now Ghana phobia a question with sexuality. It's been a long time I met say you know Kofi Sarpong say. Do you feel say
no madam it's okay. Sammy it's just okay. I know what you're driving at.
It's been a long time I'm here to be making some comments. You believe say I'm not better I say you are straight, you are not queer, you are not blah blah blah.
I have 3 beautiful children.
Yeah.
I have a beautiful wife, Salome. Yes, she takes care of everything. It's in here I am. Because, you know, now can you bet oh, Kofi Sarpong ne country many, the girlfriend in TV. Because of baby and twin make us answer. And so they almost show honey and you want to do a see my son. And I'm track or son because in your 1 year, they share na me book my point a better no until you cannot derail me from my course. I move on.
I me person me bisa
me kai will say aha Xposed you so subscribe ya sign subscribe MIA and see was for say na mo share no see don't judge a book by its cover because I think people have see for a minute I actually thought say the man was gay for real. And it's not because me who, it's because in Kofi are saying they are saying it. Sometimes po picture be PMU and all that. So sis, we should stop judging people. Say who will be in a way get closer to the person. Know the person for yourself. And say na mom ko hu no. Ye papa Kofi Sarpong. He's a straight man. He has a wife and kids. That it was for aha. And I'm do with me din edna na joa ewukubia na me sign kai will subscribe MI channel no MI makram
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na a dan and a wasiewie and a open chance papa a day apostle and a dan wutimo na senso to a enuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasa nkrofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda